Today's recipe is French onion soup, one of the most oldest recipe, but probably one of the most favorite recipe to order in a restaurant. It's a perfect onion taste with ooey gooey cheese on top, a perfect soup for a winter evening. So let me show you how. Now to start with, we are heating 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and to that we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll let the butter melt and heat up. Now once the butter has foamed up, we are adding about 4 cups of sliced white onions or yellow onions. Now you don't want to slice it too thin because then it might burn, so but not too thick even. It's just the right size. So we'll add all the onions in the butter, and then we are going to add 2 teaspoonfuls of salt and about 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar will help the caramelize the onions more easily. So we'll make sure the heat is at low medium position, and then we'll cook it till it caramelizes. Like right now you can see that it has caramelized a little bit and it is softened. So we'll keep on cooking like this. See how soft and gooey it looks. So we'll keep on cooking, and it has changed its color to brown. This takes almost about like 30 minutes. And then we are going to add 2 bay leaves, and we are adding about 2 teaspoonfuls of thyme. So if you have fresh thyme, that will be much better. I didn't have, so I added the dried one. So again we are going to cook for a few minutes, and you can see how much it has reduced. Now at this point we are adding 1/4 cup of flour, and then we'll cook it till the rawness of the flour is gone. Now we are going to add 1/2 cup of dry white wine. You can add vinegar with water too if you don't want alcohol in it. So once it has like deglazed all the bottom of the pan, now at this point we are going to add the stock. So I'm using a beef stock. You can use a chicken stock or a vegetable stock, anything that you wish. Now we are going to add about 6 cups of it. So I've added all the stock here. Now this is for 6 persons. So and I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes I poured this on ramekins, and now I'm going to put place the baguettes which I have sliced and toasted with a little bit of olive oil. So we're going to place it on top, and then we are going to add some shredded cheese. This is Gruyere cheese. If you don't have Gruyere, then you can always use provolone or mozzarella. After you have put the cheese, we are going to broil this at 450°F for 5 minutes till the cheese melts. And here you go, your ooey gooey cheesy French onion soup with lot of flavors is ready to go. And hopefully you're going to make this winter evening and enjoy it. So please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. Don't forget to push the bell icon and keep on watching, and thanks for watching.